Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Okay, today we are going to discuss the case study. So, role of IOT in agriculture. Okay, so let's discuss. Now, tell me about your opinion in this case study. Let's start.
Nowadays IoT is implemented in various.
Please be loud, ma.
Nowadays IoT is implemented in various other fields like medical and various other sectors. One such important and notable is in agriculture, through which we can increase the yield as the population of our country is also increasing, which is the main source today. So IoT is being implemented in various sectors in under agriculture. So let me tell about the current implementations first. First of all, it is mainly used for precision farming, which means we use soil moisture sensors to predict the soil moisture level, pH, humidity, temperature and nutrient content of the soil, through which we could get to know how the soil is and what kind of fertilizers or pesticides has to be given and how much amount of water has to be irrigated. And then we are monitoring it using drones and satellite technology, which gives the aerial images of the plant wherever we can be around the world, and we can monitor our plants or our crop fields through IoT. Then under agriculture, not such only agriculture, we have livestock management also, through which we are developing a device called collar, which means a device which is implemented on the collar of livestock like cows and other cattle, through which we could get the temperature and the real-time information about the cattle, and the information has been sent to the owners' mobile or linked devices, through which they could know about how their cattle or their livestock been. Then under greenhouse management, we are using a growing technique, which means it gives the real-time visual images of how the ventilation has to be and how much amount of temperature or sunlight has to be given for such plants. And for smart irrigation, which is most important for growing plants, smart irrigation needs main thing is soil moisture sensors, which take the moisture level of the soil and gives the real-time images, through which we could identify how much amount of water has to be irrigated, and in drought areas or water level lower areas, we can also give the water according to the needs.
Also, we can identify how much water is consumed by that plant.
Yes.
Good. Next, about your opinion.
Let's see about the benefits of IoT in agriculture.
Okay, Dashni went to benefits.
So the benefits are the real-time the real-time data and data which is collected plan. So it also reduces the amount of usage of pesticides and insecticides for the crops, which increases the crop yield, and it also maintains the wastage of water. It only provides the required amount of water to the crops so that we can reduce the wastage of water. It also improves the health of the livestock by providing the correct amount of yield and pesticides, which also reduces the waste. This is the main benefits of IoT in agriculture.
Good. Mainly cost will be reduced. Good. And also deployment of the sensor is the challenge. We have to concentrate on that. Okay. So let's discuss.
Let me tell about the future advancement in IoT for agriculture.
Future advancements. Okay, now.
AI-driven data analytics. So the integration of IoT with agriculture by this will allow the data to be in predictive maintenance and precision.
You can use machine learning algorithm and artificial intelligence in that. Okay. Through that we can predict the how much amount of pesticide is needed for the plant. Okay.
Then AI in the 5G networks, it will improve the data or faster data transmission in the rural areas, and then connectivity, it will increase the connectivity between the people, and like AI in the machineries, which will we can make autonomous machineries, which will does not depend on humans, like it will automatically make autonomous vehicles, which is easily for doing agriculture, and then farming, we can make autonomous vehicles, motors and tractors, which will give faster amount of output, which is expected by the agriculture.
Through this, in my opinion, in this, through 5G, we can increase the connectivity. Through artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm, we can predict the data analytics. Okay, good.
Ma'am, there are some challenges, ma'am.
So Abhinay are going to tell about the challenges faced in this case study. Very interesting.
First, the cost implementation, ma'am. Through machine learning, AI, the farmers cannot afford it, ma'am. Medium size and small size farmers cannot afford this high cost investment machines. Next, connectivity issue, ma'am. In rural side, there are lack of internet connection, ma'am. So the machine learning AI algorithm doesn't work. Next, data privacy and security, ma'am. Due to lack of internet connection, the data are not secure and protected. Like the conclusion will be the implementation of IOT in agriculture to the potential to farming, ensuring the increasing productivity, reducing resources usage, ensuring sustainability.
Finally, we can conclude this case study. So we have an advantages. We can increase the yield through IoT, yield of the agriculture, and also we can reduce the cost, resources cost. Okay, and sustainability also increased here. Okay, the challenges is the connectivity and also sensors deployed in the agriculture, because agriculture field is the large field. So we have to provide more number of nodes. Nodes means here sensor. We have to deploy a large number of sensor in that field. Okay. So I hope you understand this case
In
study.
addition to that, we can in the advantages, we are also getting the real-time data of how much amount of water is needed. For example, if we take a mango things, by implementing IoT, what are all the changes we have taken, and how much amount of water needed, and what are all the challenges faced by this tree, what kind of diseases are affected by this tree. We could get the real-time information. So in future, we can also prevent that. And
Yeah.
I think this is also
It is a very important advantage in this field. But one thing is the deployment of the sensor. Initial cost will be high. After that, we can get the real-time monitoring of the field. That is an important advantage also. Okay. So thank you, students. You done a great job. Thank you all. Have a great day.